Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited. I finally have sister locks. I am still trying to figure out how to style it, what to do with it, and I've been like watching videos on YouTube like crazy. And I think right now who I love is a YouTuber. Her name is Green Thoughts, but I love her hair. Her sister locks are everything to me. So I love the way that she, will flat twist her hair going up so that it creates volume. And that is what I want, volume right now. But I tried it and it didn't work out, so I think I gotta rewatch her tutorial. But so this is my hair, and I'm really excited that the process is finally done. I started my sister locks over a month ago. Can't believe it's been an entire month. And I will link my last video down below where I talk about my sister lock installation horror story. So I was off to a really rough start, and now I'm really excited that it's complete. The last time I made a video, I told you guys that I was going to get it fixed, and I met a consultant who I was supposed to have booked in the beginning, but I didn't because I like to make bad life decisions. But now I'm back on track, and we had set aside a couple days to continue on my hair, and we didn't finish in time. So I have been going back to her almost every day, little by little. We've been tackling my hair after work, after my shift, go to her house, work on it for 4 or 5 hours. And during the process, she had to call someone else who does sister locks to help her work on my hair. It was, guys, this past month has been ridiculous. And so now that it's finally done, I am over the moon excited. In 4 weeks, I have my retightening / follow-up appointment just to check and see how my locks are doing. So 4 weeks I'll get that done, and then after that I'll be going every 6 weeks. And what I'm most excited about, to be honest, is doing my hair myself. It's so weird because I've been tied to a chair this past month, and I am not used to that. When I was relaxed, I was at the salon every 2 weeks like clockwork, never missed an appointment. And then I became natural, and I learned how to do my hair myself. So for the past 5 to 7 years, or however long I've been natural, I've been taking care of my hair myself. And I trimmed myself, I did everything. So this is my first time depending on someone else to do my hair. So I'm excited for when my locks are finally kind of like settled. I plan on taking the retightening class or learning how to do it myself and doing my own retightnings from home, because I just like doing things myself. So I am excited for that, definitely. But for now, I guess I'm enjoying being taken care of, which is great. But I'm definitely gonna try more styles with this hair, and I'm excited for this journey. So yeah, make sure if you made it this long, you subscribe to my channel and read my blog, Fritzmean.com. I'll be posting more pictures, more style tutorials, more everything, telling you guys how I take care of my hair. I was told not to shampoo it for a while, for a few months, and just pretty much rely on dry shampoo. So that's gonna be interesting because my scalp is so dry. So I don't know how that's gonna work, but I'll definitely update you guys. But make sure you subscribe and like this video, and stick around because I'll be making more videos. Bye guys.